Hello everyone, my name is Evgenia. This is the channel called Race Someday. Here I'm building my track car slash race car, Civic EG. And today, while I'm waiting a really important delivery, and you will see it in the middle or in the end of this video, I will install the windshield heating and also electrical power assist column. One of the most basic ideas when you're building the track car or race car is not only to have the most powerful engine in the world, but also to keep the car weight as low as possible. And Civic EG is actually a pretty light car already, especially in the basic version as mine, with the D-series engine and no options, no extras. And the Civic EG, which I had long time ago, was almost in the same spec with the D-series engine, no options except the aftermarket sunroof. So that car with almost all interior parts still in place, with half of the fuel tank and some tuning parts like coilovers, big brakes and everything. So the weight of that car was around 900 kilos. 895 kilos to be exactly. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that this number is unreachable with this car because the B-series engine has more weight and also the cage is quite heavy thing. I really hope to reach at least 950 kilos. Yeah, at least I will try. And the first step in the weight reduction will be the heater. Currently it's not installed and it will not be there, but we are in Germany and the Germany is famous for rain and high humidity, so which means that there is no chance of driving in such conditions with good visibility. On my previous Civic EF, the black one, I used an aftermarket heater. And it was more compact and light, so I gained not only the weight reduction, but also better weight distribution because it was possible to place it wherever I want. And I installed it closer to the center, but such solution still needs an air ducts, and I wasn't really happy with it because the air distribution wasn't that great. And actually it never clears the windshield from the fog perfectly. And this time I've decided to go with another solution, with the electrical screen heater. Basically it's the same thing which you see on the back window of your car. And it's really compact and light, but as I already found out, not really easy to install. Because it's actually already the second time when I'm filming this video, because the first attempt didn't go well. And the first attempt was with this kit. Yeah, it's almost the same thing, but this one was a little bit wider. And such kits were actually made for the cars which were not equipped with the rear screen heaters from the factory. And it seems quite difficult to find such kits currently in Europe. But it's still possible to do in US. There are kits for the pickup trucks, for the trucks, and there are even kits for the race cars. So you can buy something already designed to install on the front windshield. The kit is installed, however, the one wire is missing. Yeah, unfortunately it didn't stick to the windshield and I had to remove it, but I really hope that it will work without it and it will defog the windshield anyway. So yeah, we'll see. If it will work well enough, maybe I will order a race car kit from the US and install it. But for now I will keep it and we'll move to another things. And as you can see, there is a gap here because I already told you the length of the wires is not big enough. Yeah, so I had to move the wall kit to the driver's side. So the gap here is bigger than there, but I think this part is not really important. Because yeah, I will sit there on the left side and I need to see what is happening just in front of me. And I also decided to lock all the parts I remove or install to the car. Yeah, the reference point is my old EG3 with the weight of 900 kilos. And currently I just removed the heater. The old one was 8 kilos. Installed the electrical heater wires, which is 400 grams, which gives us the weight reduction of the 7.6 kilos. And the next step is the steering column, but here unfortunately we're just gaining the 4.3 kilos. And I will show you the difference between the columns just in a few seconds. So this one is the manual steering rack of the Civic EG3. And some people prefer to use it because it gives like a more sporty feeling. And I don't really agree with them, mostly because yeah, maybe it gives the better feeling, but the steering racks with the power steering on Civics has the better steering ratio, so there is less turns from lock to lock. And I want to keep the manual steering rack because of the weight. There is no steering pump and there is no liquids, but I still want to have better steering ratio, so I will upgrade it with some quiet parts. Then I will achieve 3.2 turns from lock to lock. And also I need something what will help me to turn the steering wheel. So I've decided to go with the electrical power assists from the Prius. So it's the wall column assembly from the Prius. And I know that this solution is plug and play to some DC2's Integras. But in my case, I had to make this joint. So the half of it is from Prius and another half from the Civic. Fortunately, this, I'm not sure how it's called, but this thing which connects two metal pieces is the same for Civic. So it's possible to make it in one piece. Yeah, this steering column is heavier than the standard one, but we will not have any additional liquid in the car. There will be no hoses, there will be no pump, and now we will try to install it to my Civic. So the Prius column, the steering column with the electrical motor is installed. However, I don't really like how low is the motor is placed, and the shaft joint is also like too low. I'm just afraid that I will touch it with my legs. Yeah, but I will keep it like that. And then maybe a little bit later I will just cut the standard mount and rotate the motor clockwise, then it will be enough room to install it higher. So basically I just wanted to be sure that it's actually possible to install, and there is enough space and enough shaft length. And the reason why I wanted to do it right now, because tomorrow we are starting installation of the roll cage. So there and here are parts, and the roll cage is made by AST, the company from Spain, which makes different kits, the roll cage kits. And in the next video I will tell you about my choice, what is actually available on the market, maybe something a little bit more about the company AST. And yeah, of course we will measure the weight of the roll cage and put it on our board. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my videos, for your reactions. Please keep doing it. Subscribe to the channel, push the like button, and write down something in the comment section, like negative, positive, whatever, anything what comes to your head right now. So see you next time. Bye bye.